Hello kids, how are you? Let's start our today's topic. Today we read the sound of vowel A. So let's start. First rhyming word is A D. B A D bad, C A D cad, L A D lad, H A D head, M A D mad, P A D pad, S A D sad, D A D dad. Now next rhyming word is A N. B A N ban, C A N can, F A N fan, M A N man, R A N ran, T A N tan, V A N van, P A N pan. Now next rhyming word is A P. B A P bap, C A P cap, G A P gap, L A P lap, N A P nap, S A P sap, T A P tap, M A P map. Now one last rhyming word is 88. B A T bait, C A T cat, F A T fat, H A T hat, P A T pat, S A T sat, V A T vat, M A T mat. Dear kids, do read the words and complete the homework given in your WhatsApp group. That's for today. Goodbye.